movies where women can really be empowered. And in this movie, there's two women who are ordinary women who ultimately do the extraordinary. So ladies, this movie is for you. And guys too.
And fellas, come on now. What's up? Hey, I got you. But most importantly, you know a movie with Halle Berry in it can't only just be for the women. You know what I'm saying? You feel me, right? So it's something that there's a lot in there for us.
Right, and you know what? This is a pleasure for me because we don't often get to sit in our movies with people, like real people, and touch the people. And so tonight, Morris and I get to sit back up there and we get to actually watch it with you. So, thank you.
So don't hold back. I mean, you know, I'm a realist. I like to know what people think. You know what I'm saying? So don't hold back. I know you let me know, bro. I can tell. Right. How about everybody else? Hey, we want you guys to have a great time. We really feel good about this movie. This is not just a movie. We're not out just here to promote the movie because we don't believe in it. We truly, truly believe in this movie. And I can almost guarantee you're going to have a good time tonight. So, you know, buckle your seat belts.
Have fun. Thank you.
Have fun, y'all.